Powerful winter storm to impact Central U.S. with blizzard conditions. Severe weather and fire danger. Blizzard conditions expected across the central high plains to the upper Midwest. Severe thunderstorms with damaging winds, tornadoes, and hail possible in the south. Extreme fire danger persists across the southern high plains. Significant temperature swings as warm air pushes east and colder air spreads across the west. New Pacific storm system to bring rain and mountain snow to California midweek. A major winter storm continues its trek across the central U.S., bringing widespread hazardous conditions through midweek. This powerful low-pressure system, currently moving through the Central Plains, will shift into the Midwest tonight before reaching the Great Lakes region by Wednesday. Blizzard conditions and heavy snow. The higher elevations of the Central Rockies are expected to receive between 1 to 2 feet of snowfall, while a swath of 4 to 8 inches of snow, accompanied by intense winds, will impact areas from the central high plains to the upper Midwest. Some localized areas could receive up to 12 inches of snow. These conditions will lead to whiteout visibility and dangerous travel. Severe weather threat in the south. On the storm's warmer side, severe thunderstorms will develop across the Red River Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley as strong Gulf moisture surges northward. The Storm Prediction Center has placed these areas under an enhanced risk level 3 of 5 for severe storms. Key severe weather threats. Damaging winds exceeding 60 to 70 mph. Large hail. Strong tornadoes possible. Heavy rainfall leading to localized flash flooding. Fire danger across the southern high plains. Meanwhile, New Mexico, southeast Colorado, southwest Kansas, western Oklahoma, and western Texas are under a critical to extreme fire weather risk. Strong winds, dry air, and low humidity levels will increase the risk of rapidly spreading wildfires through midweek. The Storm Prediction Center warns that any new fires could spread quickly due to wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. Storm impacts moving eastward. As the storm advances, severe weather and heavy rainfall will shift toward the mid-Atlantic and southeast by Wednesday. Damaging winds and isolated tornadoes will be the main threats for these regions. A slight risk level 2 of 5 of severe weather has been issued for parts of the Blue Ridge Mountains, Mid-Atlantic, and Northeast. New Pacific storm to impact California. By Wednesday, a new Pacific storm system will push into California, bringing heavy rain along the coastal ranges, mountain snow in the Sierra Nevada, potential flooding concerns in some areas, drastic temperature swings. Above average temperatures in the Midwest will shift eastward into the eastern U.S. by midweek. Colder air will filter in behind the storm, bringing below normal temperatures across the plains and western U.S. Travel and safety recommendations. Blizzard warning. Avoid travel in affected areas due to whiteout conditions. Severe weather precautions. Stay alert for tornado warnings and have a safety plan in place. Fire weather safety. Avoid outdoor burning and stay prepared for rapidly spreading fires. Heavy rainfall and flooding. Never drive through flooded roadways, turn around, don't drown. This storm will be one of the most impactful of the season, bringing a mix of snow, severe storms, fire risks, and extreme temperature swings. Stay weather aware, monitor updates from the National Weather Service, and be prepared for rapidly changing conditions.